As we embrace the year 2024, I am reaching out to express my appreciation for the opportunity to potentially serve you. Your consideration means a lot to me, and I am looking forward to the possibility of meeting your land needs. That is, your purpose of buying land property, where and when it is needed. This will help me to know what to get for you and how urgent it is. Should you choose to work with me, I am committed to providing exceptionally genuine land properties to you. And of course, it's going to be a seamless investment. Feel free to reach out to me for any question or discuss how best I can meet your land requirements in this year 2024. I wish you and your family joy and prosperity in this new year. Happy New Year from your land director in the Southeast Nigeria. Love it, Aneke. Cheers.